name is Silvia. This group number one. The number of the squad. Mi class, Justin Calle, Leighton Cruz, Ariel Caro, Magdalena Rodríguez, Axel Santos y Daniela Vera. Y soy Pilar. How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in family.
Do you have brother or sister?
Two sisters.
What does your father do?
Father is municipal.
What do your mother do?
My mother is ama de casa.
Do you live with your grandparents?
No.
Do you have another sibling?
Sí, yes.
How old is your brother or sister?
Two sisters. My sister is 4 and sister is 11.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in family.
Do you have brother or sister?
Two sisters.
What does your father do?
Father is municipal.
What do your mother do?
My mother is ama de casa.
Do you live with your grandparents?
No.
Do you have another sibling?
Sí, yes.
How old is your brother or sister?
Two sisters. My sister is 4 and sister is 11.
What do you like to do with your family? What do you like to do with your family?
I am play soccer and happy.
Do your family have a pet?
Yes.
Where do your family live?
My family is good.
Nature.
What is your name?
My name is Maria Belén.
How are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Ecuador.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Do you have an dress?
No, I don't have pets.
What is your favorite food?
My birthday is April 27th.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite food is cartoons.
What is your favorite lesson?
My favorite food is watching novels.
How are you today?
My favorite thing is winter. Many people are in your family.
There are 5 people in my family.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
2 and sister.
Good morning, my name is Ariel Caro. First question. What do you like?
I live in Ecuador.
Do you like in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
Do you have your own bedroom?
Yes, I do.
How many rooms are your house?
There are 5 rooms.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a garden.
What is your favorite rooms in your house?
My favorite room is my bedroom.
Do you like your neighbor?
I have lived here for 10 years.
Did you like big or small?
Yes, I like it.
What color is your house?
My home is big. It is Santos Action. Okay, first question. What is your best friend?
Yes, my best friend, Daniel.
Okay, what do you like to do with your friends?
We will take it.
Do you see your friends after university?
I will text them.
Where do you play with your friends?
On and on.
What games do you play with your friends?
We play soccer.
How long have you known your friends?
5 years ago.
Do you and your friends like the same hobbies?
No, I am not.
Okay. How do you stay in touch with your friends?
By WhatsApp.
Okay, do you have many friends?
Yes, I have 9 friends.
What do you with your friends on the weekend?
Go up to parties.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Justin Calle.
My name is Leighton Cruz.
Is your favorite
My favorite food is pasta.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Eat bread with cheese glass.
Do you like pizza?
Yes,
What is your favorite drink?
my favorite drink is droge. Ají.
Do you like eating vegetables?
Yes, I like it vegetable.
What do you have for lunch and show?
Yes, I love it cream.
Do you like ice cream?
I like it.
What food do you love? Like?
Yes,
Don't you go?
yeah, for sandwich. Sandwich.
What do you love for dinner?
Yes,
What time do you like food?
what 6 o'clock.
What do you do after white food?
Igual by group.
How do you go to shop?
Group show group.
What time do you go to bed?
Yeah, I go on homework and Sony live.
What time do you go bed?
You go the train.
Do you have breastfeed every day?
Yes, Ivan breakfast.
What time do you have lunch?
That thing do your bed.
12.
What do breakfast every time.
Yes.
That thing do you